A failing crankshaft position sensor doesn't just inconvenience you, it can lead to catastrophic engine damage if left unchecked. And trust me, that's a repair bill you don't want to see. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today we are diving into a topic that might just save you from being stranded on the side of the road, the crankshaft position sensor. Yep, that little guy plays a huge role in your engine's performance, and when it goes bad, it can cause some serious headaches. First off, what even is a crankshaft position sensor? Well, it's a small but mighty component that monitors the position and speed of your crankshaft. It sends this info to your car's computer, which then decides when to fire the spark plugs and inject fuel. Basically, it's the brain behind your engine's timing. But when it starts to fail, oh boy, things get messy. Where is my crankshaft position sensor located? The crankshaft position sensor is normally located in the timing cover or on the side of the block with a cylindrical portion that inserts into the block. So, let's talk about the 5 symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor. And trust me, you'll want to know these. Number 1. Your car won't start. Imagine this: you are running late for work, you hop in your car, turn the key in, nothing. Just silence. Or maybe it cranks but refuses to fire up. That could be your crankshaft position sensor saying, "Nope, not today." Without the correct signal, your engine doesn't know when to spark or inject fuel, so it just gives up. Symptom number 2. Engine misfires or rough idling. If your car feels like it's coughing or shaking like it's got a bad cold, the crankshaft position sensor might be to blame. When it fails, it sends incorrect data to the engine computer, messing up the timing. The result? Your engine runs rough, misfires, or even stalls at stoplights. Not exactly a smooth ride, huh? Number 3. Poor fuel economy. Now, this one's sneaky. If your car suddenly starts guzzling gas like it's going out of style, it could be because of a faulty crankshaft position sensor. When the timing is off, your engine burns more fuel than it needs to. And let's be real, nobody wants to spend extra money at the pump. Number 4. The dreaded check engine light. Yep, that little orange light on your dashboard could be screaming, "Hey, your crankshaft position sensor is on the fritz." Now, the check engine light can mean a lot of things, but if it's paired with any of these other symptoms, it's time to get it checked out. And finally, symptom number 5. Your car goes into limp mode. Ever been driving, and suddenly your car feels like it's lost all its power? Like it's limping along at 20 miles per hour. That's your car's way of protecting itself. When the crankshaft position sensor fails, your car's computer might limit performance to prevent damage. It's like your car saying, "I'm hurt, but I'll get you home, slowly." Now, I know this stuff can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not a car expert. But here's the good news: catching these symptoms early can save you a ton of money and stress. If you're experiencing any of these issues, don't ignore them. Get your car checked out, and if it is the crankshaft position sensor, replacing it is usually pretty straightforward. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.